Make ice cream without a machine. It's easy. Start with 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Mix with a mixer until cream starts to thicken. Now add 1 can of condensed milk and some vanilla flavor. Once all of the ingredients have been added and mixed, transfer ice cream base to an airtight container and put into the freezer. When the ice cream is becoming slightly solid, you can add other ingredients. I added hot fudge. Now is ice cream with hot fudge swirls. Add a little extra vanilla base. Added a chocolate pudding cup to the extra ice cream base I had and made chocolate ice cream with hot fudge swirls.